Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. So let's take a look at this quiz problem. So when you mix two colors of paint in equivalent ratios, the resulting color is always the same. Complete the table as you answer the questions. So how many cups of yellow paint should you mix with 1 cup of blue paint to make the exact same shade of green? Explain or show your reasoning. So if you take a look, I have 2 cups of blue paint for every 10 yellow paint. So I'm gonna write 2 cups of blue paint for 10 yellow paint. Okay, so if you do this, you can actually simplify it, and then you could actually simplify it to divide the 2 and the bottom on top, and what you can get is 1 blue and 5 yellow. Now, if you don't believe me, let me show it to you. So I'm gonna do 2 blues here. So I'm gonna do 2 blues, 1, 2, and then 10 yellows. That's a yellow. So 1, ooh, that is really hard to see. I'm gonna do like orange for yellow, okay? Because you can't really see it. So I'm gonna say that is yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 10 yellows, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 2 blues. But if we simplify that, if we bring this blue down here, that's 1 blue and 2 blue. So we can actually say 10 yellows to 2 blues, or 2 blues to 10 yellows is the same thing as 1 blue to 5 yellow. You see? 1 blue to 5 yellow. If we group them together, it will look like this. That and then that. So it's gonna be 5 cups of yellow paint. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and voila, we're good. Okay. The next thing is make up a new pair of numbers that will make the same. Let me just double check the answer. Yep. 1 over 2, blah blah blah. Yep. So either 1 over 5 or 5 over 1, that's up to you. You can even put like 5 yellow and 1 blue. That would be the same answer as that. It would be the same thing. So yeah, it's 5 over 1 or 1 over 5. Make sure you put yellow or blue so that you know which quantity you're talking about. And then now make up a new pair. So why don't I just do another one of these? So I'm just gonna get this, and then we're gonna just whoopsie, grab the entire thing for this one, and I'm gonna just copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. So then how many blues do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blues. So I have 4 blues, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 20 cups of yellow paint. Now, how did I get this? You can actually just do this if you like. You could do 1 blue, 5 yellow, and then you can multiply it by the top. You can multiply the top by 4. Multiply the top by 4, and the bottom by 4. And 1 times 4 is 4 blue. And then 5 times 4 is 20, so it's gonna be 20 yellows. So if you take a look, 4 blue paints is the same thing as 20 yellow paints, okay? So that's how you do that part right here, or this, right? We just found a proportion here. So what is a proportion relationship? So let's take a look what they did. They did 3 cups. Yeah, I did 4. That's fine. So what is a proportion relationship represented by this table? Well, the proportion relationship is this. For every 1 blue, for every 1 cup of blue paint, we need 5 cups of yellow paint to keep the shade of green the same. Okay, so that's what it's saying. And the constant proportionality right there is, let me see if I did 3 right. Okay, so the relationship between the amount of blue paint, okay, yeah. So basically, I think this one is for question number 4. And the proportion relationship represented by this table is the relationship between the cups of blue paint. I could just write that like this. The relationship represented in this table is the relationship between cups of blue paint and cups of yellow paint. So that's how I would answer this question. Okay, I think that was a little redundant because it's literally just right here. But anyways, and then the constant proportionality, let's see, is, yeah, it represents, so they put constant proportionality as 5, but I like to put the constant proportionality is 1/5 or 5/1 with these blue and yellow quantities like that. And the reason why is because when you read this 5, like, you don't know what that means. So, like, what does that mean, right? Actually, it explains right here, so that's fine. So as long as it's explained, it's fine, right? So you can also put it like this: for every 1 cup of blue paint, we need 5 cups of yellow paint to keep the shade of green the same. So that is how you do this problem. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.